I'm Tom Gilbert. I'm a Water Resources Specialist with the Maine Forest Service. I'm here today to talk about stream connectivity and stream crossings that allow for fish passage. Crossings that are undersized restrict the movement of water as well as migratory fish and resident fish. The Maine Forest Service recently received a grant from the Maine Outdoor Heritage Fund to replace several undersized crossings within the Denny's River watershed. This will improve the Denny's River as well as several tributary streams. Stream crossings that are installed appropriately and are appropriately sized allow for large flows as well as all the sediment and debris that comes with it to pass unimpeded and provides adequate fish passage. This improves the integrity of the structure, extends its lifespan, and reduces maintenance and repair costs. The three tributary streams we'll be looking at today are Curry Brook, Preston Brook, and Venture Brook, each at a different stage of construction. At Curry Brook, an undersized crossing has been removed. The construction crew is replacing the footings of the new structure, which will be spanned about 16 feet across the stream channel to allow for adequate fish passage and allow for water to flow unimpeded. The crossing at Preston Brook will be replaced later this season. The existing 8-foot culvert will be replaced by a 20-foot span bridge. We're here at Venture Brook, where over a decade ago an undersized crossing was replaced by a 19-foot open bottom arch. You see the stream channel passes unobstructed, the footings are well armored by appropriately sized riprap, and the structure is out of the way of the stream channel. The substrate throughout the stream crossing mimics the natural stream channel with natural sediment and woody debris. This crossing is well suited for increasing severe storm events, which cause high flows and debris to pass through unobstructed. Atlantic salmon and eastern brook trout benefit from this crossing. They're able to reach critical habitat by able to pass unobstructed year-round. Maine's fisheries are widely recognized for their recreational value and are cornerstones of our natural heritage and our economy. When streams are fragmented by undersized crossings, resources such as food and important habitat features become restricted, limiting the population size and growth potential of a variety of fish species. In addition, restricted stream flow results in stagnant, oxygen-depleted water upstream from the restriction, creating an environment that is unsuitable for many fish species to survive. Maine is home to the only remaining populations of the endangered wild Atlantic salmon in the U.S. and is also the nation's most significant stronghold of native brook trout. Stream crossings that are installed correctly and appropriately sized allow high flows from large storm events as well as sediment and debris that comes along with it to pass unimpeded. This protects the road, minimizes maintenance and repairs to the crossing, and greatly extends the structure's lifespan. The increase in the severity and frequency of large storm events threatens the integrity of Maine's infrastructure, particularly stream crossings that are undersized and or inadequately installed. After over a decade of research by state and nonprofit organizations, it's been found that 80 to 90% of stream crossings in the state of Maine present a barrier to fish at least some time of the year. About 40 to 50% of those crossings are a partial barrier to fish at some point of the year. Given what we know about stream crossings in our state and what fish need to pass successfully, stream connectivity has become a priority for many nonprofit and state organizations in the state of Maine. A properly installed stream crossing should span the entire stream channel, preferably at 1.2 times the bank full width, have an elevation that is set correctly, have a slope and skew that matches the stream channel, and has substrate throughout the crossing. To learn more about the Stream Smart principles, visit MaineAudubon.org. As a forest landowner, you are a valuable partner in the stream restoration effort in the state of Maine. There are a number of technical and financial resources for landowners who have undersized crossings. The Maine Forest Service can provide an on-site consultation by one of our district foresters. With your help, we can help improve stream connectivity for the fish and wildlife that we all enjoy.